Hi, I am Stanley Vadakan. Keep smiling and stay positive. Today, we are going for a short video about the indoor activities. When we are looking at the activities, there are a lot of activities, more than hundreds. Indoor activities are there. I have clubbed it into 20 main activities and I have listed it out. So, we will directly go into that. So, you can have an understanding of what are the activities we can conduct to engage our children positively in our homes during this lockdown period. Okay, so we go directly for the list. Indoor activities. First one is memory activities. Memory test. Pick and speak. Ask for furniture, electric fittings, windows, doors, pillars, flower pots, etc. in our room or house. So, these are the things which the children will be having in their memories, and they will find it very, very happy to play this game or do this activity. Second one is word activity. Word building. A big word is given. From that word, they can select the alphabet and make smaller words, and how many number of words they can make it. This is how we play the game, and who makes more words will be the winner. Very simple. Like that spelling game, one child may start as alphabet A, another can say N, A-N, that is 1 point. Immediately another child may be saying A-N-D, and. So, it goes on like that, and when it comes to an end, next round starts, and for every word we will be giving a point. Finally, we will add up which is the highest score. So, like that we can engage them through the word activities. And finding a word in the newspaper, we will just give a word from a sheet of paper or a magazine and ask the children to find that word. So, they will be reading it out, entire paragraph or entire page they will be reading it. So, we will give a specific time and they will find it out. So, this can be given according to the age. We have to make the words tougher. Next is quiz. Normal quiz, you know very much, and we can conduct quiz on advertisements, on toothpaste, hair oil, soap, vehicles. So many things we can add according to children's taste and according to our innovation. We can do lot of things. Next is helping parents. The best indoor activity we can give for children is cooking, vessels washing, cleaning, washing vehicles, wiping window, doors, shoe polishing, ironing, so on. So, this is how we can make them utilize the time in a precious way. At the same time, we are making them to learn an activity. Brick building. You may be knowing that we will get lot of plastic bricks available ready made in the market. Otherwise, we can use the paper cups or the bottle caps or the vessels of same type. Anything may be given to them and ask them to construct the wall, construct the building, construct any statues or something like that. Technical, that is electrical, plumbing, vehicle related activities, that is according to the capacity and age of the child. They will enjoy it, changing a bulb in the house or fixing something or fixing a tap if it is destroyed, something like that, which they will be learning a skill. They will be learning a skill along with it, and at the same time they will be engaged. Next, carom, chess, snake and ladder, other related games, you may be knowing already about that. Counting back, again it comes to this memory only. So, this is according to the age we can give this activity for them. We can ask them count back, that is 100, 99, 98, like that counting back may be given, or missing one number in between 100, 98, 96, like that you can count, or if it is coming from 1000 also, according to the age you can make it. Children do enjoy this. Then role play, very important thing. When this, every child likes this role play, we have to be a part of that. So when we are giving this role play to the children, we have to be very watching towards the children, because you will get surprises. Children may be taking the role play of their teachers, or parents themselves, or friends, or some other people whom they are seeing. Sometimes you will be astonished to see that they will be acting as a teacher whom they like most or whom they hate most. Both the chances are there. So if we are going through this, we can understand the psychology of the children also. So try this, playing the role play. Antakshari, you know, film songs, words, etc. Skipping rope, again you may be knowing it. Hide and seek, police and thief. These are the things what we can do inside the house and inside our compound. No need to go out. Dance of any kind, as per the interest of the child. If some children are doing practice of dance, give them time for this. It's a good activity for them. Singing, instrumental, mimicry or other talents, martial arts, guided screen watching, TV, computer, mobile, games, etc. This area you have to be very careful, and it is better always it is through the guided or with a disciplined manner, in time wise and the way of watching it. And if they are watching some good movies or something, you can sit with them, or if they are watching some serials, you can sit with them. You can give them some positive tips or some motivating things what comes there, or you can ask about some general knowledge questions, and it is we can make them to watch the Discovery Channel or Safari, something which gives them very good information and knowledge. That is another one. Then story time, very important thing. Nowadays most of the children are missing it. Give them a story time. Either you will be telling a story, or they can tell a story to you what they have learned. And the most enjoying thing is this session, that is hearing, telling, reading, writing, anything regarding stories children likes very much. And literary time, that is as per the interest of the child. We can ask them to write stories, poem, essays, something like that. So we have to see the caliber, the interest, passion of the child, then only we have to entrust this. But from the smaller age, it is better we can cultivate this habit slowly. And cards for time pass, the best game, I tell you, because I used to play these cards from my childhood with my parents and in family from the beginning. Still nowadays also we are playing it. I am playing the cards with my father and my son. Regularly it is going on now, very interesting. So let them learn that. It is a matter of engagement. Okay, try it. 20th one, I have written spiritual activities. I have written it last, but it is not last. It should be the first. See, prayer, reading holy books, scriptures, and so on. When we are giving this spiritual attitude, spiritual behavior for our children, you can make sure that they will be in the right path, because this is most needed one. Because the children will get the confidence in life. The children will get a very strong belief that somebody is with them, that is God, that is spirituality. So please try to give this for the children from the childhood. I tell you, the children who are having strong spiritual base are very less in committing suicide or going out of the track in the life. You can see, you can just understand these things. So the children with spiritual activities, they will have a better resilience in their life. They can face the tough times in their life. So these are all some activities which I have included here. Now I have a list of activities with me. any doubts or any clarification, you can just directly call me, or I am giving my email address in the thumbnail. You can contact me through the email also. If you want the list of this thing, I can send it to you. So with all the best wishes in the coming days, take care till we meet in our next video. Bye.